Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back in online class. Today we discuss linear differential equations with constant coefficient. Then standard equation can be written as a0 d to the power n y dxn plus a1 d to the power n minus 1 y dxn minus 1 plus a2 d to the power n minus 2 y dxn minus 2 plus up to dot a and y equal to q. Question first. We have a0, a1 up to dot an are constant and q is a function of x. q है x का फंक्शन. Then complete solution of linear equation with constant coefficient can be written as, that is complete solution is y equal to cf plus pi. cf complementary function और pi particular integral. This is equation number 2. For CF, firstly we construct a auxiliary equation or say subsidiary equation by putting d equal d upon dx is equal to m and solve them equation we get value of m. Now number first, if m equal a1 comma a2, then cf equal c1 e to the power a1x plus c2 e to the power a2x is a complete solution, is a CF part of solution. Similarly, if value of m equal a1, a2, comma a3, then CF can be written as c1 e to the power a1x plus c2 e to the power a2x plus c3 e to the power a3x, where c1, c2, c3 are arbitrary constant. If m equal two roots are same and third roots are different, that is a1, a1, a2, then CF can be written as c1 plus c2 x e to the power a1x plus c3 e to the power a2x. Now if m equal a plus minus ib, then CF equal c1 e to the power ax cos px plus c2 or e to the power ax c1 cos bx plus c2 sin bx. where C1 and C2 are arbitrary constant. If M is equal to A plus minus IB, comma A plus minus IB, then CF e to the power AX, then CF is equal to e to the power AX C1 plus C2x cos BX plus C3 plus C4x sin BX. Number 6. If M equal P plus minus under root Q, then CF can be written as C1 e to the power Px cos hyperbolic under root Qx plus C2. Now for calculation of Pi, we discuss question by question. Now for calculation of Pi, that is particular integration, we discuss question by question. Now solve problem. Problem is dq minus के 2d square plus 4d minus 8 equal to 8. Answer. For CF, auxiliary equation is by putting d is equal to m, then we get auxiliary equation m cube 2m square 4m minus 8 equal to 0, m square common, m minus 2 plus के 4 common, m minus 2 equal to 0, m square plus 4 और m minus 2 equal to 0 implies m is equal to 2 comma plus minus 2i. So CF C1 e to the power 2x plus C2 cos 2x plus C3 sin 2x. Now Pi 8, that is 8 into e to the power 0 can be written as upon d cube minus 2d square plus 4d minus 8. For Pi, the rule is e to the power ax. In denominator, we put d equal to a. D equal to a, where a is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, that is 0. Then we get Pi 8 e to the power 0x upon 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 8. This is equal to minus 1. Then complete solution. Y is equal to CF plus Pi, that is y C1 e to the power 2x, C2 cos 2x, C3 sin 2x minus 1 is a complete solution. Next question is solve d minus 2 का होल क्यूब y equal to 17 e to the power 2x. Solve the problem. 4CF d माइनस 2 का होल क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 0. ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन m माइनस 2 का होल क्यूब इक्वल टू 0. That is m equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2. Then CF is equal to C1 plus C2x plus C3 x square e to the power 2x. Now Pi can be written as 17 e to the power 2x upon d minus 2 का whole cube. The rule of e to the power ax, d equal to a in denominator, but at which in this position the denominator value will be vanished. Therefore rule is changed by putting d equal to d plus a, that is d is equal to d plus 2. In this case 17 e to the power 2x upon d plus 2 minus 2 का whole cube, that is 17 e to the power 2x as it. Now integrate 1 in 3 times, that is x square x cube upon 6. Now complete solution of linear equation of with constant coefficient can be written as y equal to CF plus Pi, that is C1 plus C2 x plus C3 x square e to the power 2x plus 17 upon 6 x cube e to the power 2x is a complete solution. Now next problem can be written as problem is solve d2y upon dx2 plus 4 dy dx plus 5y equal to 2 cos hx. Answer 4CF d square plus के 4d plus के 5y equal to 0. Auxiliary equation by putting d equal to m, then we get m square 4m plus 5, this is equal to 0. Then value of m is equal to minus के b plus minus b square minus के 4 into a into c upon 2 into a, that is m is equal to minus के 2 plus minus I. Then CF can be written as e to the power minus 2x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Now Pi equal to 2. Value of cos hx can be written as e to the power x plus e to the power minus x upon d square plus 4d plus 5 by 2. 2 by cancel by 2. Then Pi can be written as by putting d is equal to a. In this case, in first case d equal to a equal to 1, or in second case d is equal to a equal to minus 1. Then e to the power x upon 1 square plus 4 plus 5 plus in second case e to the power minus x 1 minus 4 plus 5. This is equal to e to the power x upon 10 plus e to the power minus x upon 2. Now complete solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integration, that is e to the power minus 2x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus e to the power x upon 10 plus e to the power minus x upon 2 is a complete solution. Now next problem is to solve dq plus 1y, this is equal to 3 plus e to the power minus x plus 5 e to the power 2x. Answer 4CF. Auxiliary equation can be written as m cube plus 1 is equal to 0. Factorized m plus 1, m square minus km plus k1 is a factor, that is m is equal to minus 1, or half plus minus I under root 3 by 2. Then CF can be written as CF C1 e to the power minus x plus e to the power x by 2 C2 cos under root 3 by 2x plus C3 sin under root 3 by 2x. Now PI, ये 3 problem. 3 e to the power 0x upon dq plus 1 is a one problem. Second problem, e to the power minus x upon factorize d plus 1, d square minus d plus 1, plus third problem 5 e to the power 2x upon dq plus 1. Now particular method of e to the power as for pi, d is equal to a. In this case is method is valid. This is equal to 3 e to the power 0x upon 0 का cube plus 1. But in this case method will be failed. d is equal to minus a, that is minus 1 plus 1 0. But in this case not fail. Now in this case e to the power minus x 1 plus 1 plus 1, but in case is not safe, is safe 5 e to the power 2x upon d is equal to 8, 2 to the power 3 plus 1, this is equal to 3 plus e to the power minus x upon 3. In this case d is equal to d plus a, that is d minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5 e to the power 2x upon 9. 1 by cancel this, d integrate 1 times, then we get 3 plus x e to the power minus x upon 3 plus 5 by 9 e to the power 2x. Now complete solution, y equal to CF plus PI, that is C1 e to the power minus x plus e to the power x by 2 C2 cos under root 3 by 2 x plus C3 sin under root 3 by 2x plus 3 plus x e to the power minus x upon 3 plus 5 by 9 e to the power 2x is a complete solution.